Hello, I wanted to provide a review of the exceptional Great Mats product that I have here installed in my gym. I was looking for a very specific product that wouldn't be too small, like 1 foot tiles that would have more of a regular tiled floor look. I was able to find those that were interlocking, which is what I wanted. But then those being too small, I looked at larger ones and came across some gym owners using stall mats, but then those don't interlock. So it was that combination of, I wanted a larger tile where I wouldn't have hundreds of tiles linked together. I wanted them to be larger, and then but also have the interlocking capability. And so what I found was the absolute perfect product here, where you can see that the tiles are very large, so there's not that many of them, but they also interlock perfectly. I have never had these slip a single time doing any sort of maneuver on the gym. They're the perfect sort of traction that I need for doing HIIT workouts. And the thickness, you can order different thicknesses, but these have been perfect for me. They've got a great feel. They've got a great look. I've owned them for at least 3 to 4 years now, and they have been perfect, held up perfectly with, and like I said, doing HIIT workouts, using weights on them, and providing the stability that I need. And in addition to the product, Great Mats has always provided exceptional client service that has exceeded my expectations. They're a great group of folks and always an absolute pleasure to work with. So I highly recommend Great Mats for all of your gym flooring needs.